Hi, I'm PK and welcome to Almost Inevitable Design. Contact forms are one of the most important components of a website, yet they are not the easiest to style well. A lot of times, they either don't match the styling of the rest of the site, or they are limited in functionality, or both. So here's a great option, Contact Form 7. This is a free plugin that has been well supported for about 10 years with over 5 million installs, and with add-ons can do almost anything you can think of. The only problem people have with Contact Form 7 is that it involves a lot of manual HTML and CSS to make it look great. That's why you need this course. With a little bit of copy, paste, and text changes, you can have a great looking contact form. Learn how to style everything in a contact form using pre-made layouts and designs. Learn how to make your own conditional logic. Like this can open this section, and this can open this part. Even the pesky radio buttons and checkboxes are styled with the Elegant Themes font. This means the elements already come with Divi, so it will look right at home. You can even make forms that take drawings and signatures and send the submission as an auto-generated PDF attachment. You can learn how to do everything so it fits your style and your brand. Take control of the contact form with this course. Being able to style contact forms is a web development skill that's almost inevitable.